Succession planting. We're mid-June right now, about June 15th. So we're going to talk about succession planting. We're into our third planting for the year right now. I know third planting of the year is the way to say it. I'm out here planting all the time, but in succession. So we had our early spring crops and overwintering crops, like the kale that was in here. As I started thinning the kale, I put a bunch of cilantro in here. I'm sorry, yeah, there was some cilantro, but I'm actually talking celery. So you can see a bunch of these celeries that are in here behind it. So as these kales start finishing out, these celeries will finish. Underneath, I have some beans that are coming in and some Trombosino squash mixed in and around. So next in line. Oh, what have we done over here? Here we've had lettuces and greens, beets and carrots that overwintered, our next round of carrots that are in there. Here we did peas early on. Now I've got the cucumbers. We had the kale out front of the peas as they got going. We've been eating that kale for a while. Out in front of that we have beets. Mixed in things like nasturtium and basils and thyme, oregano, and sage. Some strawberries out front. Some fennel mixed in. Nasturtiums, volunteer sunflower, oregano. Just try and pack a lot in a small area, but also succession of those crops within. Oh, spinach, I forgot spinach. We overwintered an early spring spinach here. I've left just one in here for seed. Same with cilantro. Behind it we have some peppers and basil and more beans going in. Lemon balm out in the front. Some kales we've cut back over there. Walking onions and perennial leeks. Fairy pickles. Sorrel. So a lot of succession planting. I won't go on and on. Too many things to talk. Well, we'll just look here. The cabbage, been in here all spring, just starting to harvest those. But I took a few out and made kimchi and sauerkraut. In this place, I've put peppers. They'll take over that area. Change better than holiday. Long overdue. Before we go, look at the size of this tomato. I'm having a hard time not picking it because I know one of these critters is going to get it. If it starts to get ripe. I don't know if the camera's going to do it justice. This one's big too, but this one right here is just a monster. Here we had collards. Harvested early season collards, got more carrots in there. Harvested more, put peppers in. Sweet potatoes behind it. Next to the currants. Change to be better than holiday and long overdue. Peace. Cherries above.